Cherry Service Center here again. Alright, Ford Ranger BT50 parts just arrived. Um, Let me start here with the Ford Ranger and the Mazda BT50 2.2, which is the 4-cylinder, and the 3.2, which is the 5-cylinder from the year 2012 onwards, both automatic and manual. So what we have a wide range of parts here. Wide range of parts, just switch, water pump, CGR, valve, boost sensor, clutch plate, pressure plate. We have let me just go through it with you guys and show you. First of all, we have the belt tensioner. Well, let me start with the belt. We have the fan belt. It's 7PK3136. That's the part number 4, the belt, or the size of the belt for the Ford Ranger. We have it in genuine, right? Both for the 2.2 and 3.2. Now guys, little bit of knowledge on the belt. There is, on the alternator, sorry, there is this called the alternator clutch pulley or the overrunning pulley. What this does, this comes in most of the new model vehicles. What this does is it's a clutch type pulley, means it spin one way and lock the other way. What it was made really to help the vehicle idle smoother and prevent the belt from flapping, and hence a smoother performing engine, right? So this pulley it goes a lot in these Ford Rangers. We have them in stock. Now there's a special tool to change this pulley with a spline, right? We have this tool in stock also. Now the pulley, the symptoms it gives you is that you get a squeaking noise. Sometimes when the engine cold or when you start up, you get a kind of squeaky noise, and after a couple of minutes or about 5-10 minutes it goes. So you can get a free check by us. Come in. So this pulley, take note of that, right? We have the belt to go with it. And another failure with the belt system is this tensioner, right? So this is called the fan belt tensioner. This keeps the belt on tension. This is where the belt goes over these pulleys, and it's a spring-loaded device that push against the belt to keep it tension. This fails, and again the belt starts to flap, make noise, and irritating noise. Okay. On the same belt area, we have the water pump. Water pump for the 3.2 and 2.2. 3.2 water pump goes more than the 2.2. The belt run on this pulley here, and we have this water pump available, right? This is made in Spain. Some of the stuff is genuine, and everything we have is of top of the line quality. If it's not genuine, it's either made in Thailand or made in the UK, United Kingdom, so it's good quality. We have the turbo actuator. It's for the manual. The sensor goes and they get a loss of power. So it have a diaphragm inside here. We bring the complete unit, because sometimes when you change the sensor you still have problems, and we change the complete unit, right? So this is aftermarket brand. This is not genuine, but it works fine. EGR valve, right? So EGR valve causes black smoke, loss of power. When things like carbon clean and stuff, help clean this EGR valve. EGR means exhaust gas recirculation. So the exhaust gases goes back, will come through the exhaust, but it bypasses through this valve, and the valves open and close to let gases go back into the engine and recycle. So it helps you save on fuel, because the exhaust emissions that coming out have gases, and it have fuel igniting things, chemicals, and so it could be reused and go back into the engine and cycle back. Helps the ozone layer and planet keep it clean, right? So this is electronic EGR. It clogs. You can take it out and service it, but sometimes it fails. It has two parts. It has a mechanical part and it has the electrical part. So it fails on the Ford Ranger. We have them in stock. Oil pump, we have that in stock also, both for the 3.2 and 2.2. Now again, on the mostly for the 3.2, there's a bulletin you could guys get on the internet that the oil pump is a vane type oil pump, and if you let it run dry, for more than 10 minutes, right? So the oil pump, if you let it drain for more than 10 minutes, well, 10 minutes is the given time that they allocate to change the oil. Now if you let it run more than that, what could happen is the oil pump will run dry, and this causing a lot of failures and engine problems on these Ford Rangers and the Mazda BT50. Again, the information is out there on the internet. The pump run dry. When the pump run dry, it's a little bit difficult to prime that pump. Similar to your water pump at home, when you put on a new water pump, you know, air will come off and the water pump will kind of spit water, and you have to bleed the pump. Something like that, right? Just an illustration. So the pump has to be bled, and that is a problem. It gives problem to pick up back that oil and have the pump working efficient. So the pump fails, hence the engine fail. That is when the guys don't know that the oil change has to be done within a 10 minutes interval. So we have these water pump in stock, right? Again, top quality brand, and more stuff. Again, we have timing chain after 100,000 kilometers. These chains are them filling on the Ranger, so we have genuine timing chain in stock. All right, Ford again, timing chain in stock we have, and with the timing chain goes the tensioner. This clip here, the tensioner work with oil pressure, push out this pin, and when you set it, you pull out the pin, and this shaft goes against the guides and pushes on the chain and keeps the chain on tension. These are they call the guides. Long time they used to call them the ladders. Guides, ladders, same thing. It kind of about four this, large, small, and that is the timing chain. It also carries a front engine seal, or call it crankshaft seal. That has to be changed also when you're doing this job, right? On the injector line, we have new injectors, new injector pump. This is the seals that go on the cover. Tappet cover or the rocker cover just leaks, and as you're going on the injectors, we change these little washers. These washers just make you lose compression and make you rough idle, throw a little oil and stuff. So change those washers and those seals when you're changing those injectors and gasket, rocker cover gasket. And on the turbo side, we have new turbo in stock. Another failure is this hose. So this is the intercooler, main intercooler hose, right? This is a big fat hose on top on your right hand side when you open the hood. If you're sitting inside the vehicle, it's from the left hand side, right? And this hose pops. Now it get most of the time I get a little cut to the bottom. You hardly see it, but they make it lose power. If it's not that, the intercooler just bursts, as showed in the previous video that we installed an intercooler on the on a Ranger. This is the new injector pump that I told you about. Again, it's genuine. I had that in a previous video. I'm not going to open back the box. This here is the door actuator. They also have a problem where the door does not lock. It remains open. You close the door, it keep on flying out back. You gotta take up the string wire, tie it up until you get this fixed. Right? So this is called the door actuator. Each one of the door, it is different. We have them in stock and we do the installation here also. Right? Another failure is the clutch fan. It comes with the blade and without the blade. We have those clutch fan in stock. Problem with that is that you get your air conditioner running hot, and as people try to move your thermostat, all these things, we have new thermostat in stock. So before changing your thermostat and all these things, check your clutch fan, do the test. I have a video that will show you how to check your clutch fan, and 90% of the time that's the problem on those Ford Rangers, right? We have them in stock. We also have clutch this pressure plate kit with new bearings and all these things, right? And again, it's genuine Ford. Just like to show you the box here. Motorcraft, genuine Ford. Okay, so we could go on and on, but when we get next shipment, I'll do some more videos again. So we cover a lot of these things on the Ford Ranger. Real nice goodies here, and everything is genuine. We do every single installation, every part that I told you about. So give us a call at 6710713 7309449 4910254, or you can get all these things at wholesale prices for guys who have a part shop. or who have a garage that is registered, you call SSMS Marketing Limited. That's our wholesale distributor. 681-5161 Sean, and you will get all these things at wholesale prices delivered at your shop. Right, you can get it retail at Jerry Service Center Limited. That's our head office in Chase Village. Visit us on Facebook, Jerry's Service Center Limited, or give us any other call on the numbers that I sent for you. These are the numbers here. So Ford Ranger BT50 2012 parts, Jerry Service Center Limited.